Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at HoBao's first entry into the scale crawler market. As many of you know, HoBao is well known for providing value in the 8th scale buggy world, and they also have a nice monster truck as well. But it's interesting to see them enter the crawling market, and it looks like their kit is also going to provide good value. So this is the DC1. This is a kit, and let's take a look at the box. And a bunch of features that it's got. We can see that it's got some nice looking metal drive shafts, I think, what it looks like. It's got CVDs with the diff locker there. Alright, some pictures of the RTRs. Looks like it's two colors of the RTRs. And on this panel we see some of the specs of the truck. It's also got a scaled interior, looks like. But one of the nice things that we've seen from earlier glances at this truck is that it's got a pretty nice scale body and interior. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Alright, got the instruction manual here. Looks like the decals are in there, or window masks. Tires. Seat panels. Here's the body, Lexan body. You can customize it as you wish. Five wheels. They're not beadlocks, so these are the glue-on type. Bag of parts. This looks like it's the axle housing right there. Axle shafts, I think, right there. Some bearings. Ooh, beefy. These are the metal diff gears, or transmission gears, it looks like. Transmission casing. Even comes with a heat sink right there. Pretty cool. CVDs right there. Looks like nice material as well. Tie rod ends, link rods, metal link rods, shocks. This also look like aluminum bodied shocks. This is shaping up to look like a really nice kit for the value. A lot of things that are included that most other kits would have you upgrade to get. So this is I think this is the shaft for the transmission to the transfer case. Nice metal pieces. This looks like it's going to be the shifter assembly. Skid plates in there somewhere. some parts of the body. It's also got included light buckets, so that's kind of cool. Steering wheel. How often do you see a steering wheel included with the kit? Look at that scale interior as well. It's a dash right there. That's pretty cool. Transfer case. More metal gears. And the frame rails. And that's all that's included with the kit. So overall, it's looking like a really good kit for the really good value kit, and I think it's going to be a winner. Thanks for watching.